Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and today's video I'll be showing you how to draw and send doodles in Instagram chat. Instagram now allow us to send doodles and also draw animated ones on Instagram chat, which is very cool, and I know most people are going to actually love that feature. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram app, right? And you have to open up a DM for that. So you just have to open up any DM. So as you can see right here on my screen, what you need to do, you have to click on this GIF sign right here and open it up. So what you need to do, you have to search for doodles, right? You can see, so it's going to bring up different kind of doodles as you can see right here. So you can just pick anyone and send. So this is actually how to send a doodle on Instagram chat. And the next one is how to draw a doodle. So this is how to actually draw. You're going to click on this plus sign right here. This plus sign, click on that and you can see draw. Click on draw and you can just draw something. You can see, and you can send it. You can change the ink and still add, or you can even click on this to return back arrow to come back to, you see. So you can now send, and after sending, if you want to actually delete it, it's pretty simple. Just hold it down, hold down the, and you're going to see unsend or add all. So you just click on unsend. So this is how to send and draw doodles on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.